Hello everyone, today we'll be learning how to make some splash-proof sleeves for your Pokemon cards. Let's get started. These are the items you need, and for extra I've got an example of the finished product. As you can see, you can put your Pokemon card in. And it protects it. So these are the items you'll need. Anyways, a cling film, some card, pencil, some scissors, a glue stick, and a Pokemon card. Let's get started. So I'm gonna flip mine over since it's card that has a the pencil's not really clear on the yellow side anyway. Now, I'm going to put it on this side and put my card here. This would let you trace it to get the exact size. So, yeah, I guess. Oh. It's okay if you do that. You're tracing only straight lines with the Pokemon card. Alright, so after you've done that, you want to get scissors and start cutting it. I'm not really good with scissors, so I'm not really good at scissors, but I'm gonna try my best. So after you cut it, you should get something like this. Now, let's start with the cling film wrapping. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to get your cling film, and just get out a piece big enough to cover the whole card. I usually do around this much from here to there, which is about, I'd say, 15 centimeters or something. I'm not really good with this yet. So I've cut that. So now you should get your Pokemon card. I'm putting it white side up, but you can do it white side down if you on the card. But anyway, on this Pokemon card. But anyways, now let's just get this in the middle. Now what you need to do, you need to put it on around in the middle on your cling film. Get the glue stick. Now get the glue. Now just go around the edges like that. Then you want to fold it. It's okay if it's not smooth. It doesn't really matter if it is or not, really. You want to fold the sides. It's like dirt. This does happen, guys. You can get a lot of dirt on it. With any excess, you can either just fold it or cut it. I just like to fold it, because, yeah. Then, you want to fold it at the top, only at the top, like that, so you leave a little bit out. And with the excess, you can either fold it or cut it. And then that's the back done. Now, how are you going to get your card out? Well, it's obvious. With that little bit you've left out, cut it. And now after that's cut, you could just push and take out. And there you go. There's your sleeve. Now for a bonus, I'm going to show how to make an actual cool Pokemon stud like this. Although this one hasn't been done properly. This needs to be right. Like this really. So you can put your Pokemon card like that and display it. Let's start. The items you will need for this one is just literally a promo code and some scissors. Step 1, fold your promo code. Like that. Then cut it from the top around here. No, wait, here. And up. And not all the way, but around halfway. From here to there. It's not halfway. Okay, now that's better. Then you want to do it. Now you want to cut from here, from this corner, or near the corner, to that end of that cut. And then you can just twist that excess bit off. And there you go. You've got your legit Pokemon sleeve and stud. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please smash that subscribe button and like button. So yeah, bye.